Overheating is a prime mover of our climate crisis, driving various forms of environmental degradation. Yet paradoxically, as the problem escalates, and as anthropogenic interference with the atmosphere's capacity to trap heat grows, our thinking about hotness diminishes. This book is about heat and how the global middle classes became desensitized to it, producing a deadly numbness in a heating world. Natural scientists typically call this heating global warming, but I argue that not only is there a difference in intensity between warming and heating, but also a crucial difference in kind. Nobody really suffers from global warming, which is an abstraction. Instead, we suffer from more immediate causes of human distress: waves of heat and cold, desertification, droughts, floods, storms, and more. In this book, I argue that many scientific methods of accounting for heat, expressed through the shorthand phrases global warming and climate change, have actually desensitized us to environmental overheating. They are, ironically, part of the story of how the global middle classes grew numb as the world got hotter. Part 1 of this introduction recounts the history, limitations, and hitherto ignored toll of this abstract outlook. Heat offers an engaging alternative to global warming as a category for physical sociocultural analysis, one attuned to living experience. To some extent, the heat perspective has deep historical roots. Luminaries from Galen to Montesquieu thought that climate molded personalities or even entire peoples, and regarded heat and cold as potent forces that nurtured tropical cultures of leisure and siestas and the rationality of northerners. And thus, climate was potentially political. The belief of writers such as Ellsworth Huntington that every society's structures and possibilities are absolutely determined by climate and heat has thankfully been laid to rest. However, with the demise of this belief, the view that heat is a social differentiator was also discarded. In its stead, a fixation on incremental planetary temperature increases has arisen, which masks the fact that it is the local and more immediate thermal dynamics, the extremities of daily and seasonal oscillations of heat and cold, that stir people into action.